16, 2021. This one here I gotta go change an outside faucet for a guy. I guess it's an issue with it won't work, and probably a frost-free one. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and give it the old change-a-roo. Miss Molly. Nice cool day this morning. It'll be like in the 80s this week, nothing crazy. I gotta change out, I gotta do Wednesday. I got a couple of them that are coming out, but sometimes the change out, there's so much going on, it's hard to film it. You're just trying to get the job done, right? I mean, it's not easy. Not easy being a one-man operation here. So that's not easy, Miss Molly. No, it's not easy being a one-man operation. Oh. Not easy being cheesy, you know. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots if we can over there. Steve is working again, Ma. Oh, he's a real working man, Mama. He's a real working man, y'all. I got it off inside. I just want to make sure that I got the right valve off. And it just spins. So you're saying it does. As long as it's off, I can disconnect it. Yeah, it's off. It's a man's field. Alright, so we can cut it inside and looks like it just might unscrew, but we're gonna put a new one. So he's loose as a goose, Mom. He's loose as a goose. They get all corroded, you know, you can't even get them apart. We'll just do that. The valve's up here, and the faucet's out in the back. I can pull it out. The easiest spot to get to. Got my bucket here to catch the water. Is there any? My bucket's catching the water here. Slide the other one right out and prep. So this one's a little longer. That's fine. Perfect, but you know, close. I got some playing along in the basement there. There's a couple of ways you could do it. You could put a jet coupling on the bottom down there and steam it out. Or you could take this thing apart, which I'll probably do. Take this thing apart so it steams out. It don't cook nothing. It doesn't hurt. This one here you could put a female or you could solder right inside. I like to do the soldering. Less of a chance of it leaking. That's what I like to do. You can do whatever you want. If you use a Pro Press, I don't care. Just prep the other end and we'll get a coupling on it and be done with it. Connect it inside and we'll come back out here and straighten it, screw it. Alright, just have to straighten it out and screw it in, then we could solder this joint here. I might put something up underneath there, lift it up a little bit. Just want to get this thing in there screwed in place and we can solder it. And we'll come back and put the guts in after. I've done it both ways with putting a vent jet coupling on the back side. This is probably a safer way of doing it, take it apart. Okay. When we're done, we'll put this back in place when we're done. I did put a tape measure there so when it solders it's going to have a little bend to it. Down the house. Alright. We should be good. We're going to go reconnect it outside. And then turn the water on. Now you could sort this in and use a jet coupler and blow the steam out, but it might just be easier to do this. It's cheaper. Just takes a little bit longer. Jet couplings are expensive. Just a different way of doing it, you know. It runs all the way over there. Kind of a weird spot to have it. No leaks. What do you know? I took my tape down, so. Good enough for this neighborhood. I don't see any leaks.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that, baby, huh?
See, and it can't freeze because it's in 8 inches, so it drains out.
I see.
But if the hose is on
angled or
I tipped it up a little bit, yeah.
Is that what helps it not to freeze too?
Well, no, when you shut it off, it's got a little tip to it.
Yeah.
The water drains out.
Okay.
So there's no way it can freeze because the wash is inside 8 inches, so there's no water right here. But people get confused. They leave the hose on, and then they split.